Welcome to DJH Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Golf 2 litre. It's the TDI SE NAV facelift model, finished in grey in lovely condition with a big spec. It's got front park distance control, alloy wheels, colour coded mirrors, slight tint to the windows, rear park distance control. Rear park distance control, yeah, I said that already, haven't I? But it's in lovely condition. And we haven't even valeted this car yet, it's literally just come into stock. Just getting it up for sale, market it quickly as we're very busy at the moment. Rear parcel shelf. It's got carpet mats, but yeah, it's got to be cleaned, don't worry about that. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Auto headlights, facelift model there on the screen, 6-speed gearbox, different drivers modes coming up here. It's just start cost on 8811 miles. Plenty of fuel in there as well. Satellite navigation, touch screen DAB, Bluetooth connectivity, different drivers modes, all the apps, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel. Sounds and looks great. At DJH we offer full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.